So it's the beginning of the new year, so don't forget to do your system restore point for today, so you have one for it. I know some of you are probably going to be a little bit slow today because, hangovers, but that's okay. So on your computer, Windows 10, Windows 11, you're going to go into this search box here, and you're going to type in Advanced System Settings. Should show up like this. You're going to click that. It's going to bring up open this tab. You're going to go into System Protections. You're going to make sure that your drive C is on. Next thing I want you to do is to configure. I want to make sure that you have plenty of space in there. It should be at 10%. Some of you are setting at 1, 2, and 3, and that's not going to be enough. Slide it up to 10% and click Apply, and then click OK. Once you come back here, you're going to click Create. This was an important one. This is a manual one, so you can do any name you want, but I tell people to just use the date. So it is 01/01/2023, and you just let it run. What this does is, in the event that your computer crashes in the near future, before updates go through, um, this will allow you or another technician such as myself to come in here and restore your computer back to this date. It's, backstepping, as I call it. So, and it's a way of recovering your computer without significant losses or changes. Now, if your hard drive's going bad, this is not going to do any good for you. But at least this way, you got something to work with, or we have a point to start with. So, yeah, that's how you do that. You should do this once a month manually. I will try to remind you to do it once a month manually. So, system restore points, always a good thing to do. So, hope that helps. You guys have a wonderful new year. Hopefully, it'll be profitable and rewarding for you. Do what you got to do. You guys have a great day.